Okay, these are the headlights on my 2011 Lexus ES350. They're kind of clear, but fairly yellow. I mean, compared to my Honda Odyssey. But I'm going to try out the Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit and see how it works. So we're gonna go through the process. All right, so here's everything we've got here. We're gonna go ahead and follow the instructions to a T. Okay, I ended up doing this a little bit later than anticipated, but here is the look. It's 9:30 at night almost, so I'll have to do an update in the morning. But they look so good. What a change. Massive difference. I'm just curious how it's gonna set because I just finished a clear coat here maybe 30 seconds ago. So after this fully cures, plus overnight, we'll see how it looks tomorrow. Okay, so this is the next morning and they look so good. They look really good. Wow. Super clear. Clear coat set really well. So much better than they were before. Overall, definitely satisfied. Would highly recommend this kit. Now I just have to see how long it lasts.